Hello, today we are going to solve more problems on evaluating algebraic expression. Look at your example. You have m is multiplied to the quotient of the expression m plus k and 4. The values of the variables are given here. We have m is 6 and k is 2. Let's start. First, we need to rewrite the expression, but we have to substitute the value of the variables. M is 6 with the parentheses, double open parentheses, m is 6 and k is 2, close, and then divide by 4, close parentheses. According to the Pemdas rule, we are going to perform whatever is inside the parentheses. If there's double parentheses, it means we are going to perform the innermost part, and the innermost part is 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2 is 8. We can take off the parentheses now, and so you copy divide by 4, and then copy the 6 at the front. We just perform the parentheses. There's no exponents here, but are we going to do the multiplication or division? Actually, there's one more parenthesis here, so we need to go back. So here, you still have to perform a divided by 4. A divided by 4 is actually 2. We can retain the parentheses, copy the 6 at the front. Now we're totally done with the parentheses. There's no exponent, and we have a multiplication operation. So you just actually multiply 6 and 2, and the final answer is now found. It is 12. Okay, let's now try number 1. We have the choices here, so we have a reference. We will find out if our result is among the choices, and if that's the case, it's a high possibility that we get the correct answer. Number 1 states that p times q plus p minus 3. Evaluate given p is 3 and q is also 3. So we write p is 3, q is 3. I write parentheses because they have a multiplication operation. Then we are here now, p is also 3 minus 3. Pemdas rule, we will multiply this first. So you have 9. 3 minus 3 is 0. And before we know it, it's already done. And therefore, the answer is 9. Alright, let's try number 2. You have the problem 2 times p plus m minus p. 2 times the value of p is 3. I write parentheses here because of the operation between 2 and p. M is 1 minus p, which is 3. Plus rule 2 times 3 is 6. We could actually do this ahead. 1 minus 3, a little, be careful with the signs. It's actually 3 take away 1 is actually 2, but the sign is retained into a negative. So it's a negative 2. 6 minus 2 is 4. And therefore, the answer is B. Now it's your turn to try number 3 and the rest of the problems on the back and front. Thank you, and hope you learned something today.